First, I'll begin with drawing on paper. Draw a square of 30 millimeter in each side. Now draw a line of 30 millimeter to this point. Draw a line of 60 millimeter like this. And next 90 millimeter. And finally 120 millimeter. As we are taking the side of the square as 30 millimeters, so the total will be 120. Now label the vertices of the square as A, B, C, D. From the point A, using compass, take the length or the radius 30 millimeter and join these 2 points. In the same way, take the center at B and take radius as 60 millimeter and join the points. Similarly, at the point C, take the length or distance 90 millimeter and join the points. And at last, take 120 millimeter and join the two ends. Mark these points as P1, P2, P3, and P4. Divide the line of 120 millimeter to 4 parts. From any point on this involute curve, draw a line to the point P. To this point, draw a tangential line which makes 90-degree angle with this line. Make sure to check the angles. This line is the normal and this is the tangent. Label the normal with N, N dash and tangent T, T dash. The dimensions of the square is 30 millimeter in each side and this line is 120 millimeter. This is involute of square. Let's draw the same thing in AutoCAD. Take a polyline and draw the sides each 30 millimeter as we have drawn on the paper. Do this process in ortho mode. Take the line and place it in this point and make again 30 millimeter. In the same way, take another line and make 60 millimeter. Similarly, take another line which is 90 millimeter. And finally, take the line again and draw a 120 millimeter line. Take the circle and place it to the point 30 millimeter length. TR double enter and remove the parts. Next again do the same process for 60 millimeter radius and remove the parts which are not needed using TR double enter. Turn off the ortho mode and draw the line normal to any point on the involute curve and draw the tangent which makes 90-degree angle with normal. You can check the units using dim style command and change the settings. Now type UN and change the precision. Now taking the dimensions from this point to this, we got 30 millimeter. The side of the square is 30 millimeter and this is 120. And the same way, we will check the dimensions and mark it 60 millimeter and the same way to the 90 millimeter length. And we will label the square A, B, C, D. Use the tool copy to copy the text in any place. Type P type and you'll get the points, symbols, and select one of those. And these are the point of intersections and we will label it, and you can even divide the line of 120 into 4 parts and the intersections are shown here. Use the tool copy from the toolbar to copy the text in any place wherever you wish to copy. like this. And after doing this, you can double click on the text and change the text like 1, 2, 3 for these intersecting points. And in the same way, P1, P2, P3 for the point of intersections on this involute curve. Mark the points in N dash using the text command for normal and T dash for the tangent. And using the text, right, I'm gonna write the normal and as well the tangent. You can click on the text and select the option rotate to rotate the text as you wish. In the same way, I'm gonna write the tangent. This is how we make the diagram of involute of square in the AutoCAD. I hope this video might help you in drawing the involute of square in both paper and AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.